What's up, ladies and gents of the world? This is Kaikane here once again. This video is a little bit of a continuation from my previous video about tattoo removal. If you have tattoos on your neck, your ears, your face, your hands, and your wrists, and if it's preventing you from getting a job and you don't know what to do and you don't have that much money, then guess what? I'm gonna save all of your butts today. Simply save up enough money, a couple $1,000, book an air ticket, plan on staying overseas for anywhere from 3 to 6 months to get your tattoos removed. The best place in the world for tattoo removal, and also the cheapest place in the world for tattoo removal, is in Bangkok, Thailand. Tons of my friends have gone there and have successfully removed their unwanted tattoos that had prevented them from getting the job of their dreams. It's not the end of the world if you have tats on your hands or your wrists or your ears or whatever, on your neck, blah, blah. You can get them removed, but it will take anywhere from 3 to 6 months. To remove a tattoo, it takes one session, anywhere from about 30 minutes up to 1 hour or even 2. They do charge by the size, but in Thailand, my friends have said that it is the cheapest and it works like crazy. If you have a medium-sized tattoo, let's say about 3 inches by 3 inches, solid black, then that's going to cost you probably round about anywhere from $300 to $400 to remove each time. Much cheaper in the States, fellas. In the States, it's going to cost several thousands of dollars, even in the UK or wherever you are. Once you remove your tattoo, you will have to wait at least 30 days minimum to go for the next round. It will take anywhere from 3 up to 5 or 6, and in some cases much more, depending on how big your tattoo is, depending on the color. Red, blue, whatever, are very difficult to remove, so it may take a bit longer. But you will secure the job of your dreams once you remove your unwanted tattoos, so do not worry. I myself have had several tattoos removed in Bangkok, and it works wonders. Next point, tattoo removal aftercare. You must take care of it. You must cover it up. You must use a good antiseptic cream, which is for burns, called Bepanthen, which is made by Bayer. Also, when you get tattoo laser removal, it will blister big time. Do not pop the blisters. Let them heal naturally and keep it covered with that antiseptic cream that I was just talking about. Okay, that's it for today. Be sure to check out my website, getrichtechingenglish.com. And if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, feel free to book a private one-on-one Skype or email consultation with me on my website at getrichtechingenglish.com. Also, get my book if you haven't. Furthermore, I do provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services that will help get you on track in getting that awesome dream job that you have always wanted without your unwanted tattoos. Till next time, stay hungry, stay focused, stay trained, capture your dreams, and never give up. Peace out. P.S. If you want to know the best tattoo removal laser clinics in Thailand that myself and many friends have used, do not hesitate to get in touch. Catch ya later, alligators.